So after Athens, the first stop was the island of Paros. Let's see what we run into there.
You are my warm place. You are my mad strike, set me ablaze. I wish we could stay, but I got other demons I need face to face. You left me with a heavy heart. I'm colder than the day you met me in the dark. I feel the air around me as it starts to move. I realize I never had that much to lose,
Alright, we're in the island of Paros. It is about 200 kilometers or 120 miles southeast of Athens. The ferry was about 5 hours or so, and once you get off the ferry, you're right in the heart of the port village of Paros. So this village has restaurants, bars, and beaches right there by the port. And that's our ferry. This is a smaller island, so you don't really need to rent a car. We got by walking and taking a bus. One thing you'll notice is that once you got to the island, even though they're more south compared to Athens, they're much cooler. In the first week of August, we're looking at between 70 to 80 degree weather. And of course the beaches are gorgeous, the water's really clear, so it's a great place to alternate between eating, drinking, and taking a dip. Though we didn't rent a car, we saw a ton of people renting ATVs and mopeds here. Those are great options too, especially with the more mountainous areas on these islands. Some of these people didn't look like they can be trusted with an ATV, but hey, YOLO, right? The vibe in these islands are very different from the big city like Athens. In Athens, you can feel the grit and grind of the city, but here in Paros, you can just start to relax. The slower pace, blue water, blue sky, kind of puts you at ease. And then there's the aesthetics. The bright white walls contrasted with bright primary colors of the windows and doors is exactly what you see in postcards. It's quite charming. Then there are the cats. They call them Aegean cats because they belong to the islands of the Aegean Sea. To me, they don't look any different than cats I see anywhere else. But here, they get a lot of respect. Locals feed them and let them roam around wherever they like. They are extremely friendly and aren't afraid of people. Even if you're having lunch, don't be surprised if they come and join you. After Paros, we took a bus over to Nausa. It's only a 20-minute bus ride. You can get a ticket to the bus at the port, about €1.50 one way. Pro tip though, there are no rules to boarding, so position yourself where you think the door will be. and leave your courtesy behind at home, because people will shove and squeeze. Especially important on the way back, because if they run out of space, you'll have to wait for the next one. Since Nausa is further away from the port, it feels even more local. Kids were just playing and bathing in a canal. Here we found this old castle-looking structure. Turned out this was a Venetian fortress from the 15th century. They have a lot of these in Greece, and it was a watchtower for pirates, so we're gonna see if we can find some treasure. For lodging, we stayed at this place that's about a 10-minute walk from the port. Our host, Eleni, was super nice and picked us up from the ferry. That's typical of all the Airbnb hosts on these islands. It's quiet at night, but quick access to most things in town. One thing I noticed though in Greece is they don't like doors or curtains in their showers. The bathroom is just one continuous space. I actually flooded the room the first night because of that. Anyways, this place is pretty cute, has an outdoor patio, great for a bottle of wine at sunset. So that's it. That's Paros for you. I'll leave you with a stroll through town during sunset.